Ooh la la, it's a Dyson Airwrap kind of day. Big night out, or a day at the office, or just a day to shop or do whatever you want. Dyson Airwrap gives you a salon look at home in several different ways. It comes in this beautiful case. The big power base is the tool that makes it all happen, and it comes with awesomeness. It comes with a big wand for beachy waves. It comes with a small one for tighter curls. It comes with a brush that swivels with the rounded tips for smoothing and volumizing. And this one is smoothing and straightening with the pointy tips. The Kawanda hair sealing product that is so great. This is also a hair dryer when you turn this twist right here. I love this because it helps seal away flyaways, and an awesome epic round brush that does all the great things to volumize and smooth your hair and give it an uplift. We're gonna start right now with this round brush on the big wand. I use the round brush on this side. I've given this side some volumizing brushes. I'm gonna make this side kind of a straight, smooth style. So I passed the round brush in here a few times, and then I took the smoothing brush that vacillates with each movement to help against breakage or any damage to your hair. And I passed it in this section. So I've created a smooth, straight base, and I'm gonna use the small wand to put a little curl in it. I could leave it just like that and have a wonderful style. And I'm gonna do this side with a more wavy style so you can see the big wand. So I'm gonna put this wand on. The Dyson wands operate left and right on the same wand. Instead of making you use two different wands, they give you two different sizes, so you have actually 4 different things you can do with these wands. The small, left and right, and the large, left and right. So the small one on this side, I'm gonna get some curls going here. Since I straightened it first, this is gonna give me a nice beachy wave. I'm gonna give it a cool shot by pressing upwards and then pulling that out. See that pretty wave? Very nice, very subtle. I'll finish styling this one with the small wand and show you the results. Look at this great result. This is a soft, beachy wave with the small wand and the smoothing tools with the Dyson Airwrap. Now this side, I'm gonna use the wand while it's still wet, and I'm gonna make it tighter curls on that side so you can see a different look. So when you're holding it in your hair, I like to give it just ever so slight tension. Rock it back and forth a little, and then let it seal tight close to your head for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then with my thumb, I'm gonna push up on the cool shot and pull the style out, and you'll see it holds very nicely. And that will fall out a little bit when I finish styling. I'm gonna go around this side of my hair and show you the results. Here's the last piece. Give it a cool shot, and look at this. Wonderful, beautiful results. This one's a little more wavy. This one's a little more subtle. I love the 2 looks. There's a lot of different looks you can have with the Dyson Airwrap. I just absolutely love this tool. Take the time to learn the tools. You will be so glad that you did. Like any great tool that has a lot of variety, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but not much. Anything you do with the Airwrap is gonna be great. Look at all the tools it comes with. All of these great Dyson Air tools, plus the Kawanda effect. I'm gonna finish with this one because I love this tool. The Focus hair dryer blows out this way, and with a single turn, it acts like a little vacuum. I love it. Watch it take the few flyaways that I have left on the top. Sometimes your hair, all it needs is this, just a few flyaways. I love the Dyson Airwrap. Save this video if you want and watch it again, and you will learn how to style your hair with the amazing Dyson Airwrap.